Hello, my name is Christian Millán. I'm from the grade 9B and this is my representation of a nerve cell or neuron. Okay, so first I made my representation with clay and with the help of some toothpicks. I joined every part of the neuron and I divided in the six main parts that in my opinion are the most important ones. Okay, so first we have the nucleus here that coordinates everything in the neuron, such as protein synthesis, growth, metabolism, etc. Then we have the dendrites that are these like little arms here. Dendrites are the ones in charge of passing and receiving information in between neurons, and it makes this through chemical signals and electric impulses. Then we have the cell body, that is this big blue part that's here. The cell body is also called soma and is the part of the neuron that contains the nucleus and supports the chemical processing of the neuron. And then we have here the axon, that is this whole part made of orange. The axon carries away the signals from the cell body to another neuron or cell. Most axons are like very small, like for example 1 millimeter long or less. But there's a specific type of axon that is much longer than others. It belongs to the sciatic nerve, and these axons can be more than 1 meter long. Okay, so then we have here the axon terminal, that is the part in which the action potential transfers to dendrites that are in another soma or cell body. And last, we have here the synapse. These are also called the neural junction because it's where the nerve cell or neuron is connected to another one. Also, another part that we have that I consider important, but I didn't label it, it's the node of Ranvier, that are these little brown parts in between every part of the axon, and this one permits the rapid conduction of the nerve impulses. So, knowing this, we can conclude or we can know that the neuron is like the basic working unit of the brain. It's like made to pass every information between cells, muscle or gland cells, and are the ones that made the nervous system basically. Now I'm gonna explain like what is the importance of knowing the importance of the neuron function and its parts. So I think that it's more like a personal opinion thing. In my opinion, knowing the the neuron well, it's like a way to know how our brain and our body works completely. So I think that it's more like a general knowledge thing. Also, professionals that really know more deeply like the neurons and the nervous system can use this knowledge to help people solve like problems in their life, like knowing how if their connections in the neurons are correctly, or also they can use this knowledge to discover and cure certain illnesses that can affect the brain, and that in my opinion the brain illnesses are the most dangerous and mortal ones.